ang sigdawag, be? Asa man, be? Yee! Lala. Yungit kaya. Ay nala, nako i-upload sa ako ang stream. Yeah, yeah.
Mommy.
Yes. Maritsan, nice ra pag-make up. Bayad ni Maritsan ay. Katurag iyang na-appreciate. Yay!
Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Mama. Mommy, uncle. Uncle, mommy. What are you waiting for? Come on.
Follow me, uncle. Follow me. What are you waiting for?
Come on, smile.
Maybe you call your Auntie Sandra. Go. Call your Auntie Sandra. Auntie Sandra, make it fast. Na hurry. Where's your auntie? Hey, call. Call your auntie. Dali, Tred.
Sandra?
Sandra, gong mama.
Sandra.
Nak! Nak! Alisa, change clothes. Change shirts. Come on. Ili boy.
Hulog mo dia.
Careful. Oh, coming na. I do not go there na, anak. Stay here lang. No, do not go down there. It's dangerous. Come here.
Come on, mommy, for me.
Okay. What are we gonna do? Okay.
Come on. Let's get throw over there.
Okay.
Over there.
Okay. Yeah, climb here. Over here.
Do this.
No, you can't go there. Oh, come here na. Let's go to nanay na. There's no crab.
It's so many crab.
No crabs there, oy. The crab lives in the water. There's no water there. Hey, call Eli boy. That's a good poop. Yucky. What? What did you say? Pirtiman. Pirtiman di boy. You stop there na. That's enough. Oh. Where are we going? Oy. Okay. Okay. Kauga pod akong kamot ay. Kurog kayo. Kabot tabi akong 7,000 views.
Wow.
17,000 views.
Pero wala naman sa tuwang photo nga nakaabot og 1.4k ang reaction.
Nindot mo pod.
Wow. Hindi to tawag video.
Show me what you got. Show me what you got. What is this? What is this?
Napier.
That's a napier. Yeah, what? Okay, show it to me, please. Why are you throwing it? Okay, show me what you got. Yeah, what is it? Let me see. What is that? Oh, shells. Like that. Yeah. Oh, it's a shell.
child.
Okay. Very good. What about you? What you got there? You come here and show it to mommy. No, do not go there, anak. We will go back na. We'll go back na. No, nobody's there. Nobody's there anymore. Come here. Come. Everyone's going up. Ellie boy. Shh. Ellie boy.